In this video, we will show you some options to ensure your customers are sent reminders when invoices have gone past their due date for payments. We will also show you how to set up batch actions to send multiple invoice reminders. Let's see how to set this up. To send reminders manually, select Bookkeeping from the left navigation menu. Then select Transactions and All Sales. Note that your navigation may look like this. You will see the list of all your invoices. To see only the overdue invoices, select the Filter drop-down, then select Overdue from the Status drop-down. Select Apply. Only the overdue invoices will appear on the list. Find the invoice you'd like to send a reminder for. From the Receive Payment drop-down, select Send Reminder. Customize your subject or message as required and select Send. A reminder email is sent to the customer. To send reminders for multiple overdue invoices at once, select the checkboxes besides the overdue invoices you filtered out and you wish to send reminders for. Now select Batch Actions drop-down, then select Send Reminders, and you're done. You have now successfully sent your invoice reminders. You can enable QuickBooks to send reminders automatically for all your overdue invoices. To do so, select the gear icon and select Account and Settings. Next, go to Sales, then select Reminders. Turn on Automatic Invoice Reminders. Select any of the reminder options available here. Once turned on, you can choose the number of days you want to send a reminder, before or after an invoice due date. You can use the default subject line and the email message or update it to suit your needs. Here you can add placeholders if required. From here, you can choose the greeting and the name format you would like to include in your reminder email. Uncheck the box next to Use Email Greeting if you do not want these in your email. Select Use Default Reminder Message to revert to the default message. When you've finished, select Save, then Done. QuickBooks is now ready to send reminders automatically for your overdue invoices. To see a report of overdue invoices, select Reports from the dashboard menu. Scroll down and select the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary report. A report will be generated with overdue invoices, along with customer details, number of days overdue, and total amount. You can customize how this report is displayed, including the days per aging period and the number of periods. Back to the Reports menu. You can select to run the Customer Balance Detail or the Customer Balance Summary report. This will provide an overview of each customer, how much they have paid, and how much they may be overdue in invoice payments. From here, you can then follow up with reminder emails for prompt payment. So, there you have it. The invoice reminder features of QuickBooks Online will ensure you keep on top of your books to help your business cash flow. That's it. Now, send a reminder.